Hello, it's your boy Kebu TV on the MIT, and today is Sunday, the 5th day of January 2025 or 20 to be fine. Yes, you can see Ayala Shilana very close to Akara Junction. Yes, no, I won't know whom. I'm asking the hang out there, but you know, this is also part of the 67.64 kilometer Umuahia to Abreba Road. Yes. It has a section in the Ferrotex Construction Company now, which has so many culverts, yes, so many crossing culverts, so many village stream, and so many erosion control system. And this is one part of what they have, what Ferrotex have achieved today. So, Gebu actually na Ihuaru. I may not end this video here. Yes. And I need to bring in so many. One good thing this government is doing, and God will surely continue to bless His Excellency, Dr. Alex Shoma Otti, yes, in a special way. In the history of IBEX says since 1999, since creation till date, when be any government that deem fit to remember or to be able to look inward, yes, now this Abia North. This very road, this all important road, almost in the Abia North in the only route and the Jaga, most of their masses or their most of their villages. This is also an area, and they say so many things and an area that fully blessed, yes, to the core. Even even during a military regime, my body was actually I never name was a patch patch. But since the session of all fix, His Excellency Dr. Alex Shoma Otti, wherever Simba. Now, let's look inward and do something reasonable and also something meaningful, something extraordinary. A flag up a rosa. Not only flag up a rosa, a major expansion. The major expansion. Several areas, several locations where we are in a new look, several axes coming up with the drainage, both side drainages, and so many other things. You may enhance productivity and also access to rural farming, and also people bringing their farm products. It also improve food, yes, food supplies at the heart of the town. At least each and everywhere that's here no more are the more easier. So today I'm not very close to Akara, yes, in Subato axis of the state. So the one and back I got a super wound. I move to go any other thing along this road, that we needed to bring upon. We also do that. You know what you Kebu TV. It's not going to bridge, huh? Because I'm not at the just freshly, just today. With the covet and arrow and MCC, mandana a post, mandana a main hands, communicate post to control erosion or in all the erosion prone areas. Yes. O communicate on a million so 9 years. So Kebu will also be going back. So they move to as we are moving every other thing, every other areas that you needed to see. At least our followers have been asking, I don't know who Maxter Energy fuel station. Our followers have been asking concerning this. So Agnes Unia, Magic for Magic. So stay tuned on this dial and also stay blessed. Always remember to share, comment, and react to our videos. Hello, my people, my people. I want to know what kind of Kebu TV. Also part of the 67.64 kilometer Umuahia to Abreba Road. You can see the level we have also covered everywhere. I can't go by the final third. I will by the final third. Anaga, Anete, and then make a move. And so far so good. I'm so delighted. I'm so happy. I'm overwhelmed with the joy with the level of job done so far by this various construction firm handling this very project. Yes, so Kebu Nona Ihuaro, this is also part of even Nana, but Glenbow Construction Company behind our handle. So we are here to give you the situation update. You can also see some of their trucks coming down because the road is coming up speedily and the project is being superb. Being supervised by the state government through the Ministry of Works Department, heavily led by the Commissioner for Works. So, Anna supervise, Anoga both side drainage and the and you can also see their equipment fully located and also working so hard. I know that this is New Year, but they never stop this very lovely project. So, I never come to you the situation update, how the work they do, and what we stand to benefit, because Abia North in general are benefiting massively by this wonderful job. So Kebu no Ihuaro and by the social grace of God will also be showing you the area view, the drone shots, the beautiful aesthetic designs, landmark, and also green areas along this vicinity. The government is doing so well, marvelously well, and beautifully well when it comes to developing so many villages, touching down almost all the local governments, building a top-notch and also bringing down development in a special dimension. So you know what you Kebu TV and on Abia North, yes, as also part of the 67.64 kilometer being handled by 3 construction companies, namely Glenbow Construction Company, Fellow Construction Company, and also CCE 60. So, what you already ask them can go village today. No other line. Amazing news them go. Now come then you know update back to back. Not when you hear can name. Stay tuned on this side. Only any other thing that we also bring on board, we'll do that without delay. So stay tuned on Kebu TV.